In this video, we will focus on how to change the background color of the page in an MS Word document. We will explore this option under the Design tab. We will understand the option Page Color. It has got multiple options below it. So let's understand them one by one. This is an MS Word document, and there are about 5 pages in this document with some text written on them, and 2 pages are blank. By default, the background color of the page is white and the default text color is black. But can we change the background color of the page? Of course, yes. So here in this video, we will learn how to change the page color. So we will use Design tab and we will select the option Page Color. So you are seeing over here that when you scroll on any of these colors, all the pages are getting same color. So that is the condition. When you apply color, it will be applied, same color will be applied on all the pages. So these are some of the predefined colors. Now, if you do not want to remove the color, you can just select the option no color. And you also have these options, more colors. You can just make more any other color and you can select the color scheme. Now let us understand this option. How we will choose the option fill effects and we will learn how to apply the gradient. So if you see here, we can apply one color, two color gradient. You can change the style, shading style, and see this is the appearance of all of your pages. Now let us see how to give a texture background to the page. Again, choose fill effects and you can choose any of the texture. But remember, the foreground color and whatever background color you set should be contrasting. Now let us suppose if I choose a darker texture, what happens? My color of the text is black and you see the text is not readable, so you will have to adjust the color of your foreground text. So remember, both the things should be contrasting. Having learned to apply the texture, we can also apply pattern. So fill effects and choose the option pattern and you can have these patterns. You can change the background color as well as the foreground color and then you can say okay, and this is the pattern, but here white color is not very readable, so we can change its color back to black. Fourth option that we can apply on it is picture. So design, page color, choose the option picture, fill effects, and then go into the picture tab. I've already downloaded a picture of flowers from pexels.com and you will select it from your PC or from your folder. So this is the picture, select it, insert, and then you can say okay. The same picture will be applied as a background on all the pages. So this is how you have got. So this looks beautiful and generally we use it when we are making some sort of pamphlet, brochure, some visiting card. Like here in this page, third page, we can just write a message. So from the insert menu, you can choose shapes and text box, and then you can just drag the text box and you can type in your message. Like in this case, our case, the message is happy holidays. You will have to set your font. So after having typed it, you can increase the size of the font, you can change the font, you can change the color scheme of the font. Now having done this, I do not want that white shade behind the text box. So choose text box and choose the shape format option and you can select the option shape fill is no fill, and you can also remove that outline, shape outline, set it to no outlines. So this looks good if you want to create some sort of poster or some sort of message. But by default, you have seen that same picture or same texture or gradient or color is applied on all the pages. I want a different color on one of the page. So again, shapes, choose a rectangle. So let's do it on the 4th page. Drag the rectangle over the whole of the page. So choose the rectangle from shapes option in insert panel. So we'll just draw a rectangle. This rectangle has some default color. Just change this, select the rectangle. It should cover the whole page. Okay, select the rectangle, go into shape format. You can change the shape fill and you can set the shape outline to no outline. But rectangle has come on the top. So choose the rectangle and here you can set the option send behind text. Now you can adjust your foreground text color according to the color you have selected for the rectangle. Now let us see what will happen when I print this document on my regular printer like inkjet printer. Will the background be printed by default? So remember that by default the background image or background color will not be printed. It will print with the plain white background. So just let me do this setting first. Just 1 minute. So here on the file menu, you will find that option print, and this is your print preview. And see, only that rectangle color is being shown, but rest of the 4 pages, that background image is not getting printed, nor the color will get printed. Background color will not print. It will print in plain white background. But if you want that background color or in print, then you can just select word options, display, and you can select this option print background color and images and say OK. Again, go into file menu, choose print option. You will get your print preview and see now you're getting that background image. You can just because this is very miniature size, you can just enlarge and you can see over here. So it looks like this. So generally, this page color, page background looks good if we are going for online viewing of the document, like you are generating a PDF or you are making a brochure or some you are making some newsletter where you want to just view it online, or you are making some one-page brochure. Then you can certainly modify your page background in 5 manners. So background color, texture, gradient, pattern, and background image. And by applying this trick of rectangle, you can change the color of one page.